If you've woken up with tight hips or a stiff lower back, this 5-minute routine is exactly what you need. We're going to open up the hips, release tension in the lower back, and improve mobility so you can move freely and pain-free throughout the day. By the end of the session, you'll feel loose and relaxed through your lower back. No equipment is needed, just your mat, your breath. Most people skip mobility work, but not you. You're here putting in the effort, and that's what makes the difference. Let's hit the mat. A deep glute and hip opener to relieve lower back tension. Lie flat on your back with both knees bent and feet planted on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, creating a figure 4 shape. Reach through your legs and grab behind your left thigh, gently pulling it toward your chest. Keep your right foot flexed and your lower back pressed into the mat. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply into the stretch. The stretch releases tight glutes, opens the hips, and alleviates lower back discomfort, making it perfect for reducing stiffness first thing in the morning. Keep your left foot on the floor. Beginners, keep your left foot on the floor instead of pulling it in. Advanced stretchers, gently press your right knee away for a deeper stretch. Now let's switch sides to balance out both hips. Same deep hip and lower back release for the opposite side. Stay on your back and switch legs, crossing your left ankle over your right knee. Reach through and grab behind your right thigh, gently pulling it toward your chest. Keep your left foot flexed and your lower back relaxed on the mat. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch deepen with each exhale. Stretching both sides ensures balanced mobility and prevents muscle imbalances which can contribute to lower back pain and tightness. Beginners, keep your right foot on the floor instead of pulling it in. Advanced switches, rock gently from side to side for a deeper hip release. Now that your hips are open, let's mobilize the lower back with a seated knee hug. A lower back decompression stretch that also engages the hip flexors. Sit tall with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee and hug it toward your chest, wrapping your arms around your shin. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed as you gently pull your knee in closer. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. The stretch relieves compression in the lower back, improves posture, and activates the hip flexors, setting you up for smoother movement throughout the day. Beginners, keep your opposite leg bent instead of straight. Advanced stretches, add a gentle spinal twist by placing your opposite hand on your knee. Let's even things out by switching to the left side. Same lower back and hip flexor stretch for the opposite side. Release your right leg and bend your left knee, hugging it into your chest. Sit up tall, keeping your core engaged and spine lengthened. Gently pull your knee in closer, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch deepen with each breath. Balancing both sides prevents misalignment, reduces tension in the lower back, and improves hip flexibility, especially after long hours of sitting or sleeping. Beginners, keep your opposite leg bent instead of extended. Advanced stretches, add a gentle spinal twist to stretch your lower back even more. Now that your hips and lower back are open, let's mobilize them fully with lying hip circles. A controlled movement to mobilize the hips, lower back, and core. Lie flat on your back with both knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your knees towards your chest and begin making circular motions with your hips. Move in one direction for 30 seconds, then reverse the directions. Make gentler movements, massaging your lower back on the mat. This movement improves hip mobility, reduces stiffness, and enhances core stability, making it an essential stretch for overall flexibility and movement quality. Beginners, keep the circles gentler and smaller. Advanced stretches, feel free to increase the range of motion. Now that your hips are fully released and your lower back is relaxed, stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.